In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a junction table in your Airtable database. A junction table is the missing link when you need a many-to-many relationship. For example, connecting students to specific class meetings while also storing details like attendance. Let's build it together step by step. Open Airtable and your base. You should already have three tables: students, classes, and schedule. Students holds people, classes defines each course, and schedule lists individual class sessions or dates. Take a quick look at each so you know what's in them. Now create the relationship table. Use the Add Table menu, start from scratch, name it Junction, and save. Delete the default starter field so we can design cleanly from the ground up. Add two linked record fields. First, create a field that links to the schedule table. Turn off Allow linking to multiple records, so each junction row represents exactly one student in one meeting. This keeps the model precise and prevents messy many-to-many links inside a single cell. Create the field. Next, create a field that links to the students table and also turn off multiple linking. Create the field. Widen these columns so they're easy to read, and feel free to open a cell or expand a record if you want a clearer view while you pick records. Add a couple of sample rows to see it in action. In the schedule column, choose a meeting. In the student column, pick a student. Repeat to pair another meeting with another student. Each row is now a unique student session combination. Add one more field, a checkbox named Attendance. Create it. You can now mark attendance directly in the junction table by ticking the box for each student in each meeting. To automate record creation, add an extension. Open Tools, extend your base, and add an extension. Search for Junction, then select the one that creates all possible combinations of linked records from two tables. Add the script. Configure it by choosing Students as the first table, Schedule as the second, and Junction as the destination. For the destination field, select the student link and the schedule link you just created. Run the script, confirm, and close the panel. Airtable will generate all the needed rows automatically. For clearer tracking, group the junction view by the schedule field. You'll see grouped by one field, and each meeting expands to show all its students with a checkbox beside each name. That's it. You've modeled a proper many-to-many relationship, added an attendance flag, automated the heavy lifting, and organized the view for daily use. Keep single select links to avoid duplicates, and you'll have a reliable, flexible system you can filter, sort, and report on with confidence.